Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me on the Fluid Art Express. Up first you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from venomfluidart, and last but not least, Tony and Kat, the hippy dippy painter men. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. What I'm going to do today is just have a bit of a play with some interference colours, chameleon colours, things like that, and just come up with some crazy bits and pieces as I go along. So stick around and I'll show you how I do it.
I punch in my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. Nothing at all. Yeah, I am not the favorite son, but I'm the one who's been here all along. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. No, I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want you don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in the mood, I could be rotten. I could be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. You won't like what you see. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like you can hold me back. Yeah, I'm coming for you. I'm not heater on you. No, I'm just telling you the facts. Oh, these chains can keep me down. Yeah. I can be rude, be in the mood, I can be rotten. I can be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a...
You don't believe in monsters, do you?
Of course not.
I do.
See me change into something darker. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like a... Too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, we keep going all night. Don't back down, the moment is now. Don't miss out, we're never turning around. The light is young, we're out and free. If you can, try to catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. They'll never see us 'cause we're moving the night. We're always ready if they put up a fight. Outrun, outclimb, we'll outshine. You will run and think it's worth it to try. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, I think you've had enough. We're renegades. Yeah, on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, let's keep going all night. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, think you've had enough, you've had enough. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades.
I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Coming to, oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We'll plunge the waters together and rise through the weather. I don't feel the same when I'm out with you. I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded.
I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins.
Alright guys, I'll do a quick flyover of that one. How much fun are they? That was just white pillow paint, black pillow paint, some interference red, and some chameleon that I had. So, loads of fun. Definitely gives you a real cool trippy design, so have a crack. Alright, so that's it from me. So up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Click on the name and the title of this video, it'll take you to the YouTube channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you directly to the premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, just click the play all list link that I put in there each and every week, and it plays everybody on the Fluidart Express one after another. Alright guys, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe, ring the notification bell, ding ding, that way you get to see all my crazy stuff as I release it. Okie dokie, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
So welcome to the